In this module, we're going to share how to use the Solar Tax Max calculator. There are really 4 questions on the online form. First is the adjusted gross income. The adjusted gross income is on line 11 of the customer's 1040 tax return. And the adjusted gross income is the number that you need to calculate into the Tax Max calculator. The second number we need is how do they file their taxes? Single, married filing jointly, or head of household. And the third number we need in the calculator is how much is the cost of the solar system? Well, you as solar sales reps know what the cost of the solar system is. Now, my recommendation is to not do the 30% tax credit conversation or the Solar Tax Max conversation and include it all into one number, the total solar incentives that homeowner qualifies for. So you see, when you figure out what the total solar incentives are, you can easily put that in your solar proposal tool and calculate what those extra solar incentives are.